This is the freestanding Black Beauty Easel Mirror by Affirmations Mirrors, a mirror that ticks the oversized trends box in home decor thanks to its ability to optically expand and lighten up a living space. Assembled in South Africa, Affirmations Mirrors are coveted for their use of UK-made Pilkington Optimirror, a unique premium-grade mirror glass renowned for its superb reflective quality and durability, delivering clarity and superior light reflection. The Black Beauty Easel Mirror is also highly resistant to natural atmospheric corrosion and is also better protected against chemical action from cleaners and adhesives than conventional copper mirrors. With its contemporary black frame, the Black Beauty Easel Mirror is not only a statement mirror, but a clever reimagining of the classic wood-framed floor-standing mirror. The freestanding design offers versatility and ease of movement and will display nothing less than a full-length, head-to-toe view, no matter where it's placed. As with all of Italtile's Affirmations eco-chic mirrors, the Black Beauty Easel Mirror carries the Live Green logo thanks to its sustainable design and manufacture that includes energy-efficient and eco-friendly materials that help ensure an efficient end-of-life stage with easier onward recycling. The Black Beauty Easel Mirror fuses highly decorative grand romanticism with practicality. Its sleek design and timeless appeal is a must-have for those seeking to create a stunning focal point in any room. Shop the Black Beauty Easel Mirror in-store or online exclusively at Italtile.